Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Louisa. Can you believe that it's almost Christmas? I certainly cannot. I don't know what happened to 2019, but here it is. It's almost Christmas, so I'm trying to get into the Christmas spirit, trying to get my gifts together, making more jewelry, doing a lot of shopping. But the other thing I've been doing is I've been spending a lot of time doing online shopping, and coincidentally I was contacted by BeeBeeCraft. They asked me to review some products. I didn't know what to think about it at first, but I went online, I went onto their site. They're a jewelry supply company, and I was very pleasantly surprised. They have a huge selection. You guys should go check it out. I was very, very pleasantly surprised. They have everything from beads to tools to stringing materials, findings. You name it, they have it. It took me a while. They wanted me to select a few products. I finally found some really neat beads, and they went ahead and shipped them to me. So now I would like to sit down, turn my camera around, sit down, open it up with you, and we'll review these products together. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in a little bit. All right, so here's what happened. I went on the BeeBeeCraft website and I found some items. I ordered a bunch of them. And then I decided to go back, big mistake, because then I ended up ordering another set of items. So I'm going to show you both shipments. I'll show you the first one, the first shipment. Here it is. I've already cut the side. I've opened it up, but I didn't want to make too much of a hassle on the camera, so I thought I'd do it in advance. But this is what the package looks like. Let me go ahead and pull the items out. Here's the package, wrapped up in bubble wrapping, and everything's inside. I've already snipped it open, but let me go ahead and pull each item out, and we'll go over each, we'll review each item as I pull it out. Okay, so here's the first item. It's a bag of 50 pieces of PandaHall Elite mixed colors and shapes Lampwork glass. Let me pull it out, and I'm real excited about this one because whenever I see different shapes and colors, it just opens up my imagination, and you know, I start visualizing pieces, but here they are. As you can see, there's all kinds of shapes and colors. This is a real pretty one. It has blue tones and some metallic inside. Here's a lavender color in a square shape, and green and white. The holes look reasonable, so you could use it with leather cord. It looks like, you know, the holes may be more than 1 millimeter if you're interested in doing leather cord items. But I love this set. It just, you know, there's so much variety here and so many possibilities. I can't wait to put something together. But we even have topaz colored beads. We've got, you know, different shades of purple or lavender. This one's an interesting one. This could be a focal piece on a necklace. So I'm real excited. Here's one for Valentine's. Very, very cute. Here's another one, actually, different colors. So yeah, I'm really excited about this collection. I think, you know, I'm going to be able to work it into some kind of a design. There's primarily a lot of blue tones here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So here are the blue beads, different sizes. Looks like 10 millimeter, maybe 12 millimeter, pretty large. But a lot of these are bluish, so I'm not sure if each bag has different, you know, maybe when you order it, it might have different colors. I'm not sure. I'm guessing it's probably random. Here's a really interesting piece of, interesting bead with black and kind of silver tones inside of it. Really, really nice, very attractive Lampwork beads. Here's one with reddish inside. So yeah, I'm real excited about this one. Here's a coin bead. So we've got different shapes, different colors, different sizes. Definitely, you know, it'll definitely tap into my imagination, and I can't wait to put something together, and I'll definitely, you know, work with these beads in one way or the other, in one shape or form. All right, so let me bring out the next collection. By the way, the cost for this bag, 50 beads of different colors and shapes, Lampwork beads. The cost was $8.49. Next up is a box of 400 pieces of 6 millimeter, 10 colors, handcrafted Crackle Lampwork beads. I cannot wait to get into this one. I've already opened it up, but it's all sealed up inside. So let me go ahead and take it out of the packaging, and I'll come back. Here's the box. Very cute box, and let me go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, we've got 10 colors, 6mm. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this collection. The brand is BeeBeeCraft. That's A-R-R-I Craft. And I've never heard of them, but the beads look like they're pretty good quality. The holes are pretty smooth. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. And I just love these colors. They're absolutely beautiful. Each one looks like it has two colors. So like this one has a dark green and a light green. And this one is like a pink and a light pink and a dark pink. So each one has two different colors. Here's a yellow and a pink. I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, I think these are really, really pretty, and I can't wait to, you know, put something together. This one looks like it's like a teal and a pink color. So yeah, each one has different colors, and there's a total of 400, and the cost for this box was $6.99. So yeah, it's a good deal because you can make all kinds of things with 400 beads. And you know, you can work it into a necklace, you can work it into a bracelet, pendants, earrings. The possibilities are endless. So yeah, so I got the 6mm, and I also bought the 4mm size. So let me go ahead and show you that one. So here's the 4mm size, and it comes in a bag. So let me go ahead and pull it out of the packaging. All right, so here are the 4mm beads, and there's actually, let's see how many are in this. There's actually 1,000 pieces in this box. Unbelievable. Really good deal. And this box was $7.69. And it's the same kind of, not exactly the same color scheme as the other one, but very similar. So I can see all kinds of possibilities. I can see a necklace with both the 6mm and the 4mm with similar colors. So yeah, my imagination is going crazy right now. I'm definitely gonna create a necklace. That's what I'm envisioning right now. But yeah, it's the same thing. They have two colors. Not all of them. You know, maybe this one's more like a red and a pink, so it's hard to see. But yeah, pretty much this is, you know, a pink and a clear color. Very difficult to see. Let me grab a couple at a time so you can see better what I'm talking about. So here they are, 4mm. This one's a light pink and a dark pink. Yeah, and again, 10 colors. And the box is really cute too. So when you get done with the beads, you can use the box to store your items, whether it's beads, findings, or whatever you know, jump rings, or whatever you want to store in these boxes. Really cute box. So I can't wait to incorporate this into some kind of a design. As you can see, it closes pretty nicely, keeps everything in place. So anyway, guys, let me go ahead and pull out the next item. So here's the next item. It's 18 gauge wire by BeneCraft, and there are 11 yards in this spool. So that's pretty good. 18 gauge, that's my favorite size for you know, making jewelry designs of any sort, because it's pretty strong. 18 gauge is my go-to, you know, for a lot of things, whether I'm you know, doing connectors or doing loops with beads. It's pretty strong, but what I like about this one is that it's permanently colored wire, as you can see, and it's also tarnish resistant. Although the black color, which is what I got here, I'm not sure if it would show much tarnish, but I'm sure that, you know, if you were to get a silver or a gold, it's good to know that this brand, this particular kind, is tarnish resistant. So this is actually not black. I'm sorry. This is supposed to be gunmetal. So yeah. So this is the next item, and I think it's a great deal. It cost me $7.64 for 33 feet or 11 yards. All right, so let me go pull out the next item. So here's the next item. It's packaged really, really nicely. It's 80 seed beads by PandaHall Elite. So let me go ahead and break it out of the packaging and I'll be right back. All right, so here are the beads. So like I said, these are 8/0 round glass seed beads. They're about 3mm in diameter by PandaHall Elite, and there's approximately 4,200 pieces in this box. That's quite a few. The whole thing was packaged really neatly, really nicely. This box was actually taped as well. So here they are. Here are the colors, 8 different colors, real pretty. And I love using 8/0 beads for bracelets and necklaces as accents, or spacer beads, or even, I like to use them to form the top part of the necklace, the part that's by the clasp. So instead of using chain, I like to run a string of 8/0 beads up the necklace. So yeah, these, I bought these specifically because they had some of the same colors of the 6mm and 4mm beads, because I was envisioning something in my mind, in terms of a necklace. So I cannot wait to sit down with these beads and put something together, because I'm envisioning something very colorful. And, you guys are going to see that in the next video when I show you what I've made. So this was the first shipment. And like I said earlier, I went back to the website because I thought the pricing was so good. I went back to the website and ordered a second shipment. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox that one, and we'll go through the items together. One thing I wanted to mention upon examining these real close is that even though they're 8/0 seed beads, they're not exactly all uniform. So if you're working with a pattern that requires you to have, exact size beads and it's a very intricate pattern, this may not work out. But I think for anything else, they're perfectly fine. For example, if you're doing a beaded tassel, or if you're doing strands, these would be fine for that. I just wanted to mention that because I know some of you are really picky when it comes to the beads, and if you're doing a bead weaving pattern of some sort, you need the beads to be exactly the same, and these are not quite exactly the same, but they're still pretty good. All right, so here's the second shipment. I've already cut it, so let me go ahead and pull the items out and we'll review these items. Okay, so the first item is a bag with 10 pieces of 8mm gunmetal cubic zirconia micro pave beads. Let me pull them out so you can take a look. Here they are. Very pretty. And for the 10 pieces, it was $14.79, 8mm. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Cubic zirconia, that's considered semi-precious, so you can't beat this many beads for $14.79. The holes are pretty nice. They're pretty large, and they're very smooth. And I think the crystals are clear crystals. Yeah, they're clear crystals. Let me bring them up closer so you can take a look. Very pretty. So when I first saw these, I just had to have them because you know me, I like bling. I think the holes are actually 1.7mm. So you could fit, thin leather cord through that as well. Okay, so that's the first item. Let me go ahead and pull out the second item. Here's the second item. And this is a bag of mixed color, mixed shape, filigree patterned beads. They're hollow and they're different colors. I think there's 4 colors. There's a gold, there's a silver, there's a bronze, and there's a copper. So there's 4 different colors, and they're all different shapes. Some of them are round, some of them are coin shaped. We have a heart over here. We have oval shapes. So yeah, I thought this was pretty neat. Let's see, the largest, I think they range in size from 17 to 20mm wide, and then 17 to 23mm long, and the thickness of some of these, I think it ranges from 7mm to probably this one, or this one, 19mm. So yeah, these are really pretty. When I saw these, I immediately could envision these on a necklace. You can use them as connectors, you can use them as focal beads. And by the way, the description does say that the finish is nickel free. It's a metal alloy of some sort. Very substantial. They're not lightweight. They feel pretty heavy. So yeah, I thought this was pretty neat. 20 pieces for $7.49. Let me go ahead and bring out the final item. So here's the final item. It's a bag with 5 strands of 6mm round Jasper natural gemstone beads. This was a real bargain, you guys. I mean, 5 strands, each one is 15.5 inches long. A while back I had started using something called netstone, and it was very similar to this. I'm not sure, exactly whether it was I think it was an agate. Netstone was an agate. And I was making these really pretty bracelets with drusies as focals. And I wanted to, get some that were very similar. And these are definitely very similar. This is Scenic Jasper in a grayish color. Let me just bring it up closer so you can see. Very pretty. Very consistent, the shape and size. So yeah, these are 6mm. There's 5 strands, and for 5 strands, it was $8.69. Can you believe that? I thought that was just amazing. Really reasonable, in my opinion. So yeah, so I finally got these, so now I can continue making my bracelets, and maybe I'll incorporate these into a necklace as well and show you guys. So yeah, so that's the final item in the second shipment. I cannot wait to show you the new designs that I'm going to be making for you. So stay tuned. There'll be some tutorials coming up in the next week or so, maybe 2 weeks. I don't know, depends on how quickly I can put them together. And if you haven't gone to the BeeBeeCraft website, you should check it out. They have so much variety, it's unbelievable. They were kind enough to send me a discount coupon, so if you go on the site and you buy over $40 worth of merchandise, you can get $5 off with coupon code Louisa5. I'll put that up on the screen, and I'll leave the link in the description below. And so anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and look forward to seeing you, and have a great day. Bye.